Hi viewers, welcome back to my next video in the States. Now before starting, if you're the first viewer or you have viewed many of my videos and forgot to subscribe, like and comment and share, please don't forget to do it. And once again I'm saying there is a playlist created and you have an I button kept above with the link that where towards my playlist, and you can just go there and view my all the videos regarding states given up, and also some more videos from my channel. So here with continuing with the states, here I have come to the next state, that is Assam. So let us explore ourselves towards the state of Assam. Now, Assam is a state of India. It's a state in the northeastern part of India, which is known for its wildlife, archaeological sites, and tea plantation. I guess you all have heard about Assam tea, which is famous, and we always tend to have it. Like we feel to buy Assam tea because of its taste and its flavor. Now in the west, Guwahati, Assam's largest city, features of silk bazaars and hilltop Kamakya temple. Umananda temple sits on the Peacock Island in the Brahmaputra River. Now, as such, there are 34 districts in the state of Assam, which is given over here on the map, and it's written with its international boundary, state boundary, district boundary, state capital. Everything is being plotted in the map. Now, let's see it's like till when these districts have emerged one by one. So the statistics of last 5 years as an updates from Wikipedia which we got is on August 15, 2015, Tarun Gogoi, the Chief Minister of Assam, announced the formation of 5 new districts in the state, taking the total number of districts from 27 to 32. Then later on 26 January 2016, again in 32 districts there were an addition to 2 more districts. But on 7th October, government has withdrawn that district status. It has taken back to 32. And in 27 June 2016, one more district was added, which is towards 33. And on 8th August 2020, that is recently, again it had added one more district. And at last, till now, as of 8th August 2020, it's 34 districts in Assam. Now here is the list of districts, its headquarters and population with area and density statistics. You can go through it and get to know the details of it one by one. Now we'll come with the state profile. Again, like every state, it also has a profile. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Dispur, a locality of Guwahati, became the capital of Assam in 1973. It was formed on 26 January 1950. The area of Assam is 78,438 square kilometers, which is 16th largest. Now, as per population, it is 15th largest 2011 census. The density of Assam is 397 per square kilometers. Now, there are 34 districts as we have seen before. The state code of Assam is AS. Official language of Assam is Assamese. The statistics again, when we come across more, the literacy rate over here is 72.19%. The GDP is rupees 3.24 lakh crore as per 2019-20 estimate. The per capita income of the state is rupees 82,078. The human development index ranges from 0.614 to 30, which is 30th among Indian states and union territories as per 2018 census survey. Sex ratio over here is 958 females per 1000 males as per 2011 census. And then the roadways, it is 3,900.44 kilometers. Railways ranges from 2,442.57 kilometers. There are 6 airports, from which one is international and 5 are domestic airports. Here is a list of it. There is no seaport as such in Assam. When I come to speaking of its government, it is Jagdish Mukhi, the governor of Assam from 10/10/2017 onwards. Sarbananda Sonowal is the Chief Minister of the state from 24th May 2016 onwards. The Chief Secretary here is Sri Jishnu Barua IAS. There are 126 members in the Assembly. The High Court, it's Guwahati High Court. And Chief Justice over here is Nongme Kapam Koteswar Singh. Now when speak about its state's emblem. As such, Assam doesn't have its own state emblem. Instead, it uses the national emblem of India with the words of Oxom, Zorkar and Government of Assam below. So, Assam province of British India used an emblem that depicted a black rhinoceros on a gold background. Now, it has its own song, O Mor Apunar Desh, as its official song. It is written by Lakshminath Besbarua, and its language as it is its Assamese, also Assamia, is an Indo-Aryan language spoken mainly in the northeast Indian state of Assam, which is its official language. Now its mammal, it's one-horned rhinoceros, and bird, it's white-winged wood duck. When I speak more, the flower, this flower is an orchid belonging to Vanda alliance. It's often used as an hair ornament worn by Assamese women during folk dance Bihu on the onset of spring. Now when I speak about its tree, it's Holong tree. It's a large tree which is also native to China, Vietnam, Philippines and many more countries. Now the famous drink, as I said before, it's Assam tea, which is very famous for its production of tea plantation. And then the river, it's Brahmaputra river. It's a transboundary river which flows through Tibet, India and Bangladesh. The costume which is worn here is Surya Punjabi and Ghamosa for men and Mekhala Chadar for women. Then the dance, famous dance over in Assam is Bihu dance. When I speak about the history of the state, its Assam and adjoining regions have evidences of human settlements from the beginning of the Stone Age. The hills at the height of 1,500 to 2,000 feet were popular habitats, probably due to the availability of exposed dolerite basalt useful for tool making. Also, at the turn of 20th century, British India consisted of 8 provinces that were administered either by the governor or lieutenant governor. Assam province was one among the major 8 provinces of British India, and it covering the Assam province under the administrative office of the Chief Commissioner. Post-independence, with the partition of India in 1947, Assam became a constituent state of India with its districts and was separated from like Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram was separated from Assam as union territories in 1972, and both became states in 1986. Now the famous places of the states, really don't forget to go there and watch or get your experiences of these famous places of each state. The first over here is Kaziranga National Park, home to the one-horn rhino. Then Majuli, world's largest freshwater island. Majuli is a lush green, environment-friendly, a pristine and pollution-free freshwater island in the river Brahmaputra, just 20 kilometers from the Jorhat city and located 347 kilometers from Guwahati. Then Guwahati, the gateway to the northeast, famously regarded as the gateway to the northeast India, is the largest city in the state of Assam. It is also the largest metropolis in the entire northeastern region of India. Other famous places are Dibrugarh, the tea city of India. Dibrugarh is the largest city of Assam, located at 439 kilometers from Guwahati, a major city in the northeastern region of India, in line with the cities like Guwahati and Bhubaneswar. Hajo, a multi-faith pilgrimage center over here, finds its uniqueness in being an attraction for 3 religions, that is Hindu, Muslims and Buddhists. Shrines dedicated to Durga, Shiva, Vishnu, Buddha and major Muslim saints are found all over this place, making it an important pilgrimage center for people from all these 3 religions. Then Umananda Island over here. It is the smallest river island in the world. Umananda Island is a place with legends aplenty. a place where man and the wilderness cohabit in peace and serenity. So viewers, here I complete my details of the state of Assam. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for upcoming videos of states and many more things to go. Again, thank you a lot for watching my video.